Okay, y'all. I know the video I just posted like 3 seconds ago. I did the unboxing and showing y'all what they are. I played with some of them because some of them I really love. I didn't play with all of them, so I am outside in a better lighting. I'm actually gonna open them, test them out, and do all that. I was trying so. Could y'all tell that I was trying so hard not to touch the computer pocket, like the pocket? I was trying so hard, but I was so funny. It's for the video. Can't mess it up now. Oh, one of them fell. Hold on, y'all. I don't know why people call these real fidgets. I don't see them as a fidget, but okay. I don't argue with people, so. Well, what you gonna call it? I'm gonna call it a spiky ball. That's what I'm gonna call it, a spiky ball. But I'm just organizing everything so they can have their own corners. Like maybe what I'm gonna play with first, something like. I'm missing a fidget. Where is it? I'm missing a fidget. All my spinners can go in one place. My poppets, like my mini poppets. This one has a mini poppet. All my like not my giant poppets can go. That can go there. Little my squishies can go right there. Plastic baggies can go in there. Where's that? Those three little balls that are there. That can go right there. That can go right there. That can go right there. And that can go right. I'm missing a fidget. I think I might have dropped it or something. I don't know what I'm missing. And I'm not like a very slide. I'm kind of mad. I'm missing my purple one. You know that purple one that's missing the tail on it? Yep. I'm missing that one. I think I left it on my bed, but I'm not about to go get it because I have two right there perfectly fine. Which should I open first? I'm scared. I don't know what to open first. I'm just gonna start playing with everything, even if I already played with it. We're gonna play with the Slinky first. I'm gonna go like what's in front of me. Poppets are last because they're over there. Well, I don't know, Slinky. I love the smell of that, like a toy factory. I'm gonna put these little mini balls in the Slinky. Here's the purple. If y'all hear car noise, that's my neighbor. They just put in the putting up. But here's the orange one. Actually, this is like a pink. Because this is like a yellow orange. It looks like yellow, and this one like looks orange in the camera, and this one looks yellow in the camera, but this one's actually orange. This one's pink. Super cute, super cute. Pink and then orange. Super cute, super cute. I got those in there. I'm gonna play with the bike chains. I love bike chains. I used to have a bunch of these. Like I used to have a Slinky. I used to have that. I used to have poppets, but never none of those. I used to have mochis. I used to have the inflatable rings. I used to have the spinner. I used to have a big one of these, but I traded it with someone. I used to have pop tubes, and I used to have these little red cube thingies. That's all I used to have, really. Like the spinners, stuff, pop tubes. That's all I used to have. I used to have one of these, and I used to have something that was similar to this, but it wasn't this. It was like, I still have it too. I don't know where it is. It was like something, oh, you know those little squares? Those little rainbow squares with stuff just like this? But except it's like a different shape. That's what I used to have, and I still have it. It's in like my fidget box somewhere. Because we moved, so. Here's this. Like chains, I love my chains. All the tiny stuff that fit in here is gonna go in here. You can't see it because the bottom doesn't have a. I'm trying to get it. Okay, got it. Got all that stuff in there. We're gonna get all that. Nope. The fitting rings. I had a bunch of these, but it broke. Like the one that I had broke. I was super mad. If y'all hear people talking, that's my mom and my stepdad talking. I'm ringed out. So what you want? You have to buy a ring. Like you know that guy that says in your wristband? You need a ring. How much is that? Well. Wait, all the infinity rings are fitting here, and I have a little room left. I can't fit anything in here because nothing is tiny, like the same amount I have. But if like something, since that's been filled up enough, it's gonna go to the side right there, because y'all saw all that. I'm gonna move on with mochis. I love mochis. All the classic. Where's that little baggie go? The little baggie that. Okay, it's actually right here. It's right here. And if y'all hear more people talking, it's my neighbors down there and my mom, so everybody's out today. What is this? What is those weird creatures? It's cute, but like, what is it? I'm already getting it dirty from how dirty my hands are. Look at that. It was so clean. And now just look how dirty it is. Look how dirty it is. Can't really see it, but it's super dirty now. Well, one mochi can fit on there. Okay, well, here's the first mochi. I love mochi so much because they're so tiny. You can put them in your pocket. I'm opening the peach next. Okay. The peach is dirty. It's not for me, literally. When I opened it, it was dirty. But it has a little bit of glitter on it. Here's the peach mochi. I don't know if it's the peach actually. Yeah, it is because it has a line on the middle. Here's a peach. And next we're going to get this little bunny thingy. I don't know what this is called. Okay, this is the next one. This one's cute. I think this is supposed to be a bunny. Like this, like that. Boing, 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 boing. I'm so kiddish. Like boing, boing, boing. I think this is supposed to be a monkey. I mean, well, not a monkey, a bunny. Super cute. What's next? Next one I'm gonna do is. Oh, I already have one of these. I already have one of these. They're in my fidget box. This one's so cute. Okay, well, here's the pig, super cute. I think I'll show you guys this one. If you're a real OG, and I'll go back to like my old fidget videos, y'all will know if y'all remember this one. But I got a new one. You can have a friend. You can have all these friends, so cute. I have more. I have another one. Like, do y'all know, like, when you get mochis, how they're powdery? All the powder's getting in my hands. And we're 9 minutes in, and I'm already on mochis. I'm still on mochis. Here's a hippopotamus. I'm kind of going to go fast out of mochis. Here's a hippopotamus. Put that up front. Can you scoot out anymore? Yes, perfect, 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 perfect. Ew. Sniffing its butt. Now I got one more that's already busted open and perfect. I have a groundhogger thing. I don't know what this is. It's super cute at the top. I love it. It's so cute. It fell off my head. Hold on. That's so cute. I love that one. They're sniffing each other's butts. Look, this one's sniffing that butt, and then this one's sniffing that butt, and then this one's sniffing that butt. Ew, so okay, what should we do next? Let's go ahead and move on with the DNA ball. How's the DNA ball this dirty? And it was clear. It was so clear. Like, I don't understand. It was super clear, and now it's like this, like, oh my god. I'm gonna try to squish my first. This is like a hard one. These are like the ones that are not squishy. I thought it was the ones that were squishy. But the colors, this is like nice fall colors. I guess, no, this isn't fall colors. This is like summer vibes. Because there's so many bright colors. There's orange, red and stuff. This is giving me like summer vibes. Summer vibes. I love summer. All the fidgets that are like tiny that I can fit up here and go up here. So chess ball. Actually, yeah, chess ball. Next, what we're going to do is the pop tubes. I want to break it already. That's when my last one broke. So I was like pulling on it, and like the tiny one didn't break. So I used it and it broke. Yeah. Yellow and red so far. I'm doing a little pattern. So as you can see, this is like the normal size. This is like the regular size would go bigger, like 3/4 more than this. And then the jumbo would go 3/4 more than that. So like six. The jumbo would be, I mean, the regular size. This is tiny size. Tiny size. The regular size would be 3/4 more than this. And then the jumbo size would be 4/4 wider and 3/4 more than the regular size. So here's yellow. I'm going to add them together. Bam. Gonna pattern. I don't want to mess it up, but there it is. Now I'm going to add them together real fast. I'm sorry, y'all. I love pop tubes so much. Like pop tubes, I just love pop tubes. Like, how old are you? People always ask, like, how old are you? Tell me if y'all want to see more baby doll skits. Because I only do baby doll skits because I have a bunch of older dolls laying around. And it's fun to entertain me also. Oh, look how big it is. Okay, now I'm just going to put them together like this so I can move on to the next item. We do no cuts in this YouTube channel. No cuts. Unless I'm like editing with an app. I'm not editing with an app today. Okay, so no cuts. I'm going to skip this part. Whatever. Edit. 27 or 19. I'm not even feeling it. 27. 27, 27, 27, 27. 27, I knew it. 27 and 19 always come out of the shoe. Like always. Why are people running? Why are you running? That's what sometimes cracks me up. Like, why are you running? Okay, here's how tiny it is. I don't know where I'm going to put this. It's taking up most of the space. I'm just going to undo them because it's taking up most of the space. I know you're probably like, what's taking up this whole? Okay, perfect. So now I'm gonna add them here. Perfect, so it's like red, yellow, red, and then yellow again. Okay, and then next I'm gonna do these little blue things. Yeah, I've already seen them transform into a little circle. If y'all didn't, I'm sure y'all did. I'm not really gonna put it through, but there's a little like. Now let's put this down. Like I said, I have a purple one. I lost it. No, I didn't lose it. It's in my room. But like I don't have it with me right now. It's in my room with it. I'm gonna do these are both mini poppets to me. I'll do this for this. Even though I'm not gonna use it. If y'all wanna trade me for this, thinking it's cool or something, go ahead. Cause I'm not gonna use it. I'm not, really not. I hate these things. So what are you supposed to do with them? If you do anything wrong, they will break. Like literally. You have to have them a certain way or they will break. I'm like, what is there to do? You can't do anything with these. So like, if y'all want to, hit me up. Go to my IG and DM me saying you jumped in. I'm like, okay. Now I'm gonna fold these in half. You can't even fold it in half. What is this? Okay. Just leave it back straight because I don't got time. Well, I do, but I don't have time for that. I don't want to waste my time on that. But y'all saw what happened with the red one. The blue one is just the same thing. It's like a different color. It's blue and white. Okay, I've done those. What should we do next? What can I add up there? Oh, we're gonna do this. Y'all seen this one? This one's kind of scenty. Yes. And put it back into the box. There's that. So cute, so cute, so cute. Love it, love it, love it. Now we're gonna do this next. Like this whole area right here, I wish I could show y'all, but it's laying on my keypad. So like if I lift up my iPad, everything's gonna like get out of order. So. Okay. This is super cute. I like it. This moves in circles. This flips. Okay. This goes like that on both sides. This does something. Oh, okay, I know what this does. This is just cool, like sound like that. Next, these little buttons. And this will put all that is. It's nothing too fun, but something fun. So, yeah. Got that. This whole area looks so good. I wish I could show y'all, but I can't. Because like, if I lift it up, it will fall. I'm not saying that just because I don't want to lift it up. It will like mess up. This is all garbage. I have to dump this down in the trash and just put it. Sir! I saved my fidgets. Now I'm just going to start moving these things closer. The puppets are right here. I just want to do that last one, starting with like this. Okay, so y'all remember this, like this. Pop them up, 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 pop them up. I'm popping all of them up right now. Okay, y'all, so y'all. Popping them back down. Popping them back down, popping them back down. I used to use this to hold stuff. I literally used to use this to hold stuff. You know about that? I love this little toy factory. Now I'm going to put that right there, my little blobber. Next, I really want to open this. I really want to. I don't know why. Oh, it changes colors. Like, down here, it's like yellow. But up in this air, it like turns like pink and yellow and purple. That's so cool. I was about to say cute, and then I was like cool. Cool is a better word for it. Oh, you can give this to your best friend. I mean, I see her. Just put it together like that. Oh my god. So cute. What does it make though? I want to see what it makes. What does it make? I expect it to make something. It makes nothing. Perfect. Let's try the pops. This side's pretty good. Ooh, that side's good. Okay. Okay. Perfect. So these two are really cute. I like these so much. I'm probably gonna end up adding them together. So like it can't like I'm probably gonna end up adding them together. I think that's the best thing. I don't want my fidgets to end up getting lost. So like if one gets lost, the other gets lost. Like be together like that. I can put them on a little piece. Okay, it's gonna fall right now. I'm gonna add these over here. I got a couple more plus the poppets. I don't have these. These are my spinners. I forgot to tell you those two were supposed to be like my tiny poppets. Because they're not like these over here. And they're not a spinner, so. Here's the spinner. I'll see how cool that looks. So it goes like this way and this way and this way. Yeah. See how cool that looks. So this. See, and it goes back. So cool. Now let's pop it. Okay. This one is not going to go pop all the way. Easier to change. Okay. Unpop these. I heard the spin sound. So cool. I'm gonna put that over there. That has to be tiny poppets and stuff. Next, we have the original. Like I said, if y'all are OG, y'all can remember this. And if y'all are OG, y'all can remember my pop tubes, all that stuff. If y'all are OG. If y'all are OG member, and y'all remember all the fidgets I had in that last video, comment them down below. If you are a real OG. Pop it sounds so good. Okay, wait, we're done with that. Now it's time for the big flip. I was waiting for this to be so long. Okay, I'm gonna start off with the keyboard because I'm starting from the bottom to the top, so I'm just gonna go over that. Okay, so there's like these little fake things, I'm gonna pop them real fast to show y'all. Like, so let me pop them back. Cause my mom popped some of them. Okay, now let's go. You ready? I'm popping on them. Time to do the other side. The pops on this. I love it. I love it so much. I love it so much. Now we're gonna move on to the French fry. Cause I love McDonald's. This is gonna remind me of McDonald's for so long. Over here. This is what the shoot is. Okay, well, I'm just gonna copyright it if they would have stayed there for a little bit longer. But here's the fries. Time to pop. Dude, I'm doing a YouTube video. Do you have any mercy? Okay, let's go. I'm popping. Good thing this side's horrible, so you guys aren't missing out on anything. This looks like it was painted horribly. It doesn't smell like a toy factory. It smells like Sharpie. It smells like straight up Sharpie. Okay, here's the other side. Time to pop it. Oops, forgot to pop one. just a little bit better. It's not that much better, but it's pretty good. There's that one. Time for the burger. Smells like hand sanitizer. This one does. Do they sanitize my puppet? It probably stank. It probably smelled. And then they were like, she probably is not going to want this puppet after it smells this bad. And then they probably hand sanitized it. It smells like something with hand sanitizer. I think it's sharp hand sanitizer. But here's the other side. Kind puppet. Ooh. Hold on now. Now this side. Hold on. This is the bad side. Well, not really. That is so good. Okay, time for what y'all all been waiting for. The moon puppet. The puppet I've been waiting for. It has all the planets on. I wonder if it has our planet. Yeah, I think this big middle planet is our planet. I see Mars. I see Neptune. I see Uranus. Jupiter. Mars. Wait. So that's something else. That's Mars. Okay. Venus. I see a bunch of different planets. And I think the big middle one is ours. But here's what it looks like. This is a nice simple dimple, I guess. It's pretty good. It's not the best, but it's a simple dimple. You can't really hate a simple dimple. Except it's like really hard. Okay, this side's pretty good. This side's pretty good, yeah. This side I love. That was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let's do this video to how many fidgets are home now. Let's get this for the video. 36 likes and subscribes. Can we do that? I didn't even do that. I love y'all. Have a good day. Bye.